Okay. Hello, everyone. Today, me, Lizzie, and Lorenzo are going to teach you guys about photosynthesis in plants. Let's not waste any time and get straight into the PowerPoint.
Well, photosynthesis. You guys know what are the upper and lower levels of the support to absorb water, the stomata. Do you guys know how water is transported from one side of the plant to the other? Or even the chemical compounds and elements that such processes hold? So we'll describe why.
Here's a 5-minute YouTube video that we have on photosynthesis.
Colors and fragrance of plants, but seem to forget about their important contribution. Plants are an absolute necessity for life on Earth. It is so because of the process of photosynthesis. A closer look at a plant shows that it is firmly held in the soil by the help of roots. These roots absorb water from the soil and through the tiny tubes transport it to the stem and then to the leaves. The stem holds the leaves in such a way that they absorb maximum energy from sunlight. A leaf is a very important part of the plant. Photosynthesis, the ultimate provider of food and oxygen, occurs in the leaf. A leaf consists of a flat, thin lamina, which is joined to the stem by a petiole. The flattened lamina provides large surface area for trapping sunlight. A cross-section of the leaf shows the upper and lower layers of cells, which are flat and irregular. Below the upper layer is the layer of tightly packed cells. These cells have specialized organelles called chloroplasts. Chloroplasts contain the pigment chlorophyll, which gives the green color to the leaf. The next layer has loosely arranged cells with large air spaces. The section also shows tubes specific for transporting the absorbed water into the leaves. The lower layer has many pores called stomata. Each stoma is surrounded by 2 guard cells, which regulate opening and closing of the stomata. A leaf absorbs carbon dioxide from the environment through these stomata, which, after passing through air spaces, enter into the chlorophyll-containing cells. Both water and carbon dioxide molecules are finally absorbed by the chloroplast. These chloroplasts also have the capacity for trapping energy from sunlight, and this energy is used to synthesize glucose and oxygen from carbon dioxide and water. These oxygen and glucose molecules diffuse out of the chloroplast. The glucose is transported through other specialized tubes to all parts of the plant, aiding in their growth. The oxygen present in these air spaces diffuses out through the stomata. So, during photosynthesis, oxygen is given as the life-sustaining gaseous component of the atmosphere, while glucose or food is transported to all parts of the plant and used for growth. To summarize, green plants can make their own food by the process of photosynthesis. Plants are held in the soil with the help of roots. These roots absorb water and send it to the leaves through specialized tubes. The lower layer has many pores called stomata. A leaf absorbs carbon dioxide from the environment through these stomata. Both water and carbon dioxide molecules are finally absorbed by the chloroplast. We're in the presence of chlorophyll and sunlight. They synthesize glucose and release oxygen. The oxygen diffuses out through the stomata. The glucose is transported through other specialized tubes to all parts of the plant, aiding in their growth. The amazing process of photosynthesis.
That was an interesting video, wasn't it? Well, I hope that those questions asked previously were able to be answered by the video. But if not, now is the reason why me and my group decided to share this video. Well, the reason is because this video is really detailed when it comes to breaking down and explaining the process of photosynthesis in plants. It teaches that photosynthesis is the ultimate provider of food and oxygen and its sub-process occurs in the leaves. This video even goes so much into stimulating the upper and lower cells of the plant. And we can also see the air spaces, the tubes that transport the absorbed water, the stomata, which is surrounded by two guard cells that are the ones that absorb the carbon dioxide. Also, this video shows how the water is transported from one side to the other. First, it gets absorbed by the roots and then is transported from the tiny tubes through the stem and ultimately going to the leaves. Moreover, we learn how it's because of the water that the way the stem holds the leaves, that is easier for the leaves to absorb maximum energy from the sunlight. That the flattened lamina provides large surface area for the leaf to trap such sunlight. Below the upper layer is a layer of tiny plaque cells that contain the chloroplast, which is the one that contains the chlorophyll pigmented, which gives the green color to the plants and the leaves that we see today. Well, finally, at the end of the video, we learn that chloroplast absorbs both molecules of water and carbon dioxide, and it traps the energy from the sunlight, which then that energy is used to synthesize glucose and oxygen from carbon dioxide and water. So those are the reasons why we picked this video, and now we're gonna go to Destiny with the questions.
I know that can probably be a lot to remember, but we all hope you did because we have some questions. Are you guys ready? Okay, here's our first question. What part of the leaves provides a large area for trapping sunlight? Did you guys remember? The answer is the lamina. Okay, and now we're on to our second question. What does a leaf use to absorb carbon dioxide from the environment? And now the answer is the stomata. And now we're on to Lorenzo for our mini quiz.
Why can't temperatures occur at very high temperatures? Because enzyme activity is lower.
Well, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that this video was entertaining and it'll teach you everything that you need to know about the process of photosynthesis. Bye, thank you.
Bye. Thank you for watching our little video.